because this is where it starts. Now, I'm gonna go do something about my breath. Put on some clothes that I can wear in public. Well, do what I do.
All right, let's do this.
I'm giving it all away. No more hiding, no more stalling. I hear you calling me, and I'm coming. See me running. I give in. You win. I give in. You win.
I try, but I just can't keep this thing to myself. Look high and low, and I know ain't nobody else. But I'm focused now, and I know it's all about you. You always see me through, that's what you do. Tell me, where would I go, where would I be? Love's hard to find, but you blind and losing your way. And now ain't nobody else for me, it's just you. You got my time all the time, anytime my mind's on you.
Alrighty, here it is, evening on day 4. A lot of what we've been doing up to this point has been just having Dodger around, and it's not really been a lot of what you'd consider training. It's been just spending time with him. That's where it starts. It starts with a relationship. It starts with a bond. It doesn't look like we've been doing anything but wasting time. We have been getting some good exercise in, but it doesn't look like we've been doing a whole lot. But that's where we really start getting traction. Starting tomorrow, he's going to be meeting Amina, and we are going to be hitting challenge after challenge after challenge. But the most important part of where we started was exactly what we did these last 4 days, draining his energy and also building some trust.
If you open my heart, you see I don't have it all together. If you take me apart, yeah, you see the worst of me wants to get better, but you're changing me piece by piece into who you're really calling me to be. There's a beauty and beast inside of me, who I am, fighting who I wanna be. But through the rise and falls, the roller coaster, I get a little closer, like a child walking in their father's shoes. I just wanna look a little more like you. Every day's another step forward. I get a little closer. I get a little closer. Lord, I know that it's true. You're gonna finish this work you started, even when I don't know, and it's moving so slow, even when I feel nothing but broken hearted. But you're changing me piece by piece into who I know that I am gonna be. There's a beauty and beast inside of me, who I am, fighting who I wanna be. But through the rise and falls, the roller coaster, I get a little closer, like a child walking in their father's shoes. I just wanna look a little more like you. Every day's another step forward. I get a little closer.